Welcome to another episode of Mathematics Made Easy.
So far we have seen multiplication using different methods. One base method, and subsequently we also had a look at general method where you can multiply any two numbers. In this session we are going to look at some special numbers where the multiplication is made much more easier. For example, suppose let us say that you are having two-digit numbers AB and AC, where the sum of the unit digit adds up to 10 and the 10th digit of both the numbers are same. Then the product AB into AC is the 10th digit multiplied by the 10th digit plus 1 and product of the unit digit. In other words, AB into AC is nothing but A into A plus 1 BC. Let us look at some examples. For example, 68 and 62. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it is 6 into 7, 42. 8 into 2, 16. So it is nothing but 4216. 83 into 87, again 3 plus 7 is 10, so the 10th digit is the same. 8 into 9, 72, 3 into 7, 21, it is 72, 21. 41 into 49, 1 plus 9 is 10, so 4 into 5 is 20, 1 into 9 is 9. See, if you look at the answer here, it is 2009 because when you multiply B into C, right, and also we said B plus C is 10, the product has to be a two-digit number. So if you get a single digit number, then prefix 0 before the number, right? That is why you are adding a 0 here. Next, that is what is given in as a note. B into C is the product of unit digits, which is a two-digit number. 75 into 75 is what? It is nothing but 75 square, right? Here also 5 plus 5 is 10. So what is your answer then? 7 into 8 is 56. 5 into 5, 25. 5, 6, 2, 5. In other words, using this method, one can find out a square of any number ending with 5. Right. Next one. 94 into 96. 4 plus 6 is 10. So it is 9 into 10, which is 90. 4 into 6, 24. It is 90, 24. So if you look at it, it's much more easier for a numbers where the unit digit adds up to 10. Is it possible only for two-digit number? You can expand it for more than two-digit also. It could be a three-digit, four-digit, five-digit or six-digit number. But what is the condition? Your unit digit should be the same and unit digit should be the same and the remaining digits are the same in both the numbers. Unit digit should add up to 10 and the remaining digits are same in both the numbers. For example, 124 into 126. Your 10th and 100th digit in both the numbers are same. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now it is 12 into 13, 156. 4 into 6, 24. It is 15624. Next one, 245 into 245. It is nothing but 24 into 25 and 5 into 5. 24 into 25, one can do it by mental max. 25 is nothing but 100 by 4. So multiply by 100 and divide by 4. So this becomes 600, 625. 492 into 498. It is 49 into 50 and 2 into 8. 50 is again 100 divided by 2. So it is 254516. 993 into 997. 3 plus 7 is 10, so 99 into 100, 3 into 7, 990021. 4-digit numbers, 9994 into 9996, 4 plus 6 is 10, so 999 into 1000, which is 999 followed by 3 zeros, 4 into 6 is 24, right? That means you are able to get in a single line the answers for the multiplication of even numbers up to 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit, etc. Right? But so far we have seen the numbers, but the 10th digit are very easy to multiply in mind. But suppose if the 10th digit is not easy to multiply in mind, what do we do? Let us look at it. Some more example. For example, 482 into 488. Again, 2 plus 8 is 10, right? So here it is 48 into 49 and 2 into 8. Well, how do I do 48 into 49? If you are very familiar with the base method, this one can also do in mind, right? But if it is not possible, this is the method. You might have, you still remember, I hope, the base method we discussed. In 48 and 49, it's a 2-digit number, so the base, normal base is 10, and since the numbers are close to 50, the base is 50, and also S is 5. There is the difference, there is the ratio between B by 9 is 5. Right? Now 48 is 2 short of 50, 49 is 1 short of 50, right? So what is the next step? 48 minus 1 or 49 minus 2, which is nothing but 47, minus 2 into minus 1 is 2, right? Since we have taken the base as 50 and the ratio S is 5, 47 need to be multiplied by 5, which becomes 235, right? So what is the answer? 48 into 49, it is 2352. So 2352. What is 2 into 8? 16. So the answer for 482 into 488 is 235216. Take one more example. Here 4 plus 6 is 10. 86 into 87, right? Now the base here is 100 because the numbers are very close to 100. Since n is 100, b is also 100 in this case because the numbers are close to 100. 86 is 14 short of 100 and 87 is 13 short of 100. 86 minus 13 is 73. Minus 14 into minus 13 is 182. Since the number of zeros in the base is 2, 182 should be restricted to a 2-digit number. So retain 82. 1 gets added to 73. It becomes 7482. Right? So it is 7482 and 4 into 6 is 24. Right? Now, take one more example. 565 into 565. So it is nothing but 565 square. So what is it we need to do? 56 into 57, 5 into 5. Again for 56 and 57, base is 10 and B is 50. The ratio is 5. Right? 56 is 6 more than 50. 57 is 7 more than 50. So what does it you have? 63. 6 into 7 is 42. Since S is equal to 5, multiply 63 by 5, which becomes 315. So 56 into 55 is nothing but 3192. Why 3192? Because n is equal to 10. That means 42, we need to take only the unit digit and 4 should be transferred to 315. I hope you still remember the base method which we discussed earlier. Right? So 3192, 5 into 5, 25. Now, 4-digit number 3123 into 3127, 3 plus 7 is 10. So 312 into 313, 3 into 7. Now again, n is equal to 100 because it is 312 and 3127, and the base is 300 because the numbers are close to 300. 312 is 12 more than 300. 313 is 13 more than 300. So it is 325 and 126. So what is it we need to do? 325, we need to multiply by 3. It becomes 975. Alright? Now, in 156, we need to keep only 56, transfer 1 to 975 because n is having only 2 zeros. So, the product of 312 into 313 is 97656 and 3 into 7 is 21. That is your answer. Hope this is clear. Right. Now, so far we have seen the unit digit adding up to 10. This logic can be extended for further cases also. That is, if ABC and AMN are two 3-digit numbers where the sum of the 10th digit unit digit of both the numbers adds up to 100 and 100th digit of both the numbers are same, then the product is 100th digit multiplied by 100th digit plus 1 and the product of the 10th and unit digit. In other words, A, B, C into A, M, N, where BC plus MN is equal to 100. A is the same, that is the 100th digit. Then the product is A into A plus 1, BC into MN. 253 into 247, so it is 53 into plus 47 is 100. So what is it we have? 2 into 3 is 46, 2 into 3 is 6, then next is 53 into 47. Right. How do I do 53 into 47? What is it I have done here? If you look at here, I have used the general method which we discussed earlier. In 53 into 47, how do you multiply? First is 5 into 4, which is 20. Then the cross multiplication of the other two numbers and their sum. That is 5 into 7 plus 3 into 4. That is 35 plus 12, which becomes 47. Then the product of the unit digit 3 into 7, 21. Right? Now you assemble the answer. Take one digit at a time. From 21 you take 1. 2 gets transferred to 47, which becomes 49. 4 added to 20, it becomes 2491. So your answer is 62491. One more example. 782 into 718. 82 plus 18 is 100. So 7 into 8. What is 7 into 8? Which is 56. Now 82 into 18. Like the earlier case, 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 8 plus 2 into 1 becomes 66. 2 into 8 is 16. So when you assemble the answer, take 6, add 1 to 66. So retain 7. 6 gets added to 18. It is 1476. 337 into 3, 63. 37 plus 63 is 100. 3 into 4 is 12. 37 into 63, right? 3 into 6 is 18. Then sum of the product of the other two digits is 3 into 3 plus 7 into 6, which becomes 51. 7 into 3, 21, right? As before, we assemble the answer taking one digit at a time, which becomes 2331. 624 into 676. 6 into 7 is 42. 24 into 76. Right? 2 into 7 is 14. Then the next one is 2 into 6 plus 4 into 7, which becomes 40. 4 into 6 is 24. So it becomes 1824. Hope this is clear. Right? Let us look at some 4-digit number also. Right. 87, 18 into 87, 82. If you look at the number here, 80 plus 82 is 100 and 87 is the same in both. So what about the product then? The product is nothing but 87 into 88, 18 into 82, right? So we need to find out what is 87 into 88. Like before, we do by the general method. 8 into 8, 64, and if you look at the number, the 10th digit is the same, so it is nothing but 8 into 7 plus 8, and 7 into 8 is the unit one, right? So 64, 120, 56. For your answer, take one digit at a time. So 6, 5, 12 gets added, it becomes 76. So the product 87 into 88 is 7656. Now 18 into 18, the first one is 1 into 8, 8. Then the cross product, sum of the cross product becomes 66. 8 into 2 is 16. So is 1476. Right? So 8718 into 8782 is 7656, 1476. What about your 4-digit number, 5-digit number? 36 plus 64 is 100, so we can apply the same logic. 452 into 453 and 36 into 64. 452 into 453, right? Even though it's a 3-digit number, I use the logic of a 2-digit number, right? That means if I consider the number as AB, where A is 45 and B is 2. So the first one is 45 square, 45 into 45. The next one is 45 into 2 plus 3, and the other one, last one is 2 into 3. 45 square is, we have already learned, 4 into 5, 5 into 5, 20, 25. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 45 is 225, 2 into 3 is 6. Taking single digit at a side, the answer becomes 204756. Please look at the general method which we discussed earlier, wherein we have discussed 3-digit or 4-digit number, which we can use by the use of the formula for a 2-digit number. And that is what I have done here. The next one is what? 36 into 64, which is straightforward. 3 into 6, which is 18. Then the next one is the sum of the other cross multiplication, 48 and 24, which results in 2304. Right? Okay. So product of two 5-digit number, it's a 10-digit answer. Right? See how easy it is if you know this kind of a method. Right? We will also discuss some common sense approach. If AB and AC are two 2-digit numbers and 10th digit are the same, but B and C are not adding up to 10. Right? Okay. So here B and B plus C is not 10. For example, 83 into 85, it is 3 plus 5 is 8. What does it we do in this case? 8 into 8, then 8 into 3 plus 5, 3 into 5. That is going to be your answer. 8 into 8, 64, 64, 15. So take one digit at a time. So 5, 64 plus 1, 65, 64 plus 6, 70, 7055. 32 into 37, the same method, because 2 plus 7 is 9. Now it is 9, 27, 40. So your answer is 1184. One more example. 2 plus 9 is 11. Same method, 5 into 5. 5 into 2 plus 9, 2 into 9. Right? So assembling the answer, 3068. Again, if you look at it, these are all the general method which we discussed, right? So you are able to get your answer in one line. 123 into 125, 12 into 12, 12 into 3 plus 5, 3 into 5, right? So your answer is 15375. 217 into 215, 21 square, 21 into 7 into 5, 7 into 5. 21 square is 441. This by memory one can do, or if you are not remembering it, this is very easy to do by looking at the base method in your mind. Right? The answer is 46655. Right? So if you remember all these methods, it is easier to do multiplication in this way. Thank you.